Hey everyone, my name is Gaurav Bajaj and I am the founder of Book Your Calendar. Today we will see how to create a free account in Book Your Calendar. So let's get started. So I am in bookyourcalendar.com. Let's click on get started. Click on create an account. First name Gaurav, last name Bajaj, username I am Gaurav 19, email address Gaurav Bajaj 852 at gmail.com. Your password, in this you have to put a strong password like this 20. Let's click on sign up. Once it will get all the details, it will verify, send the verification code in your email account. Let's check our email. So I got the code 661496 verify code. Let me check once again. 661496 661496 verify account. It will redirect to your dashboard. Congratulations, you are in Book Your Calendar. I hope you learned how to create an account in Book Your Calendar.